we're really ready to kick it up a notch in our higher impact dances. These are the moves you are going to see. I'm going to take you through proper form so that I know you're doing it right at home. First, starting with a pop-up. Our legs are always wide in our pop-ups to protect your low back. I don't want you sinking into your hips or losing your form at the bottom. So let's try. We're gonna come right here. I'm gonna go to the side. You're gonna take those arms down to the floor on one. You're gonna hop your legs back to a wide plank on two. You're gonna bring your back in, and then you're gonna squeeze from your butt all the way to the top on four. Again, try that nice and slow. We go down on one, you hop back on two, you come in on three, and you squeeze up on four. Down and a back and a in and a hold. Down, back, keep those abs tight when you jump your feet back. Down, back, in and a squeeze. Down, back, in and a squeeze. Those are our pop-ups, one of my favorites. Next, into our ballet leaps to the side. Your feet are gonna start together. You are going to jump to one side as your back leg extends. So just stay with me. We go up, together. So you're reaching high arms nice and long. I want that energy reaching through that back leg as much as you possibly can. Toes are nice as pointed because nobody wants to see a flex foot back there. Point those toes all the way out. We go up, together, up, together, up, together. We're gonna take it to our other side. Up, together, up, together, up, together. Again, four, up, reach through that hand, nice and light. Four, up, reaching, right there. Changement, which means the change of the feet. So when we do this, number one tip I want to give you is to turn your toes out to the side. So if you stand with one foot right in front of the other, and then you move your left toe to the side, you're gonna meet your heel to your toe, and then you're gonna open that toe up to turn it out. If you try and do this move with your feet parallel, it just won't work. You will get stuck. So you're gonna turn those feet out to the side, and all I want you to do is jump and change. Jump, change. Again, jump, change. What are we squeezing? Abs and inner thighs. Jump, change. Again, jump, change. A little quicker. Change, 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 change. Now what you're gonna see in our dances is a little out to the side. After a few, we might go down. Down and a change, change, change. Down, down and a change, 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 change. That is a combo that you're gonna see in a lot of our more balletic dances that we're really trying to drive your heart rate up there, right to the finish line. Our next type of leap is going to go up and over side to side. Start with your right leg out, hop onto your right leg. Hop. Start with your left leg out, hop, hop. Right leg out again, transfer, and that left leg out, transfer. Chest is lifted, and we go to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, up and over, up and over, up and over, up and over. Okay, let's release you from the ballet world for a few moves. Take those arms out, inner thigh claps, in, out. See how there's that double bounce? Just jump it up, jump it up, jump it up, jump it up. As long as you keep a bounce and a rhythm on the bottom, we will be good to go. Touchdowns. You're gonna take one arm up, you're gonna go down, up, up. So right hand reaches to the floor, wide legs. You're sitting back into your hips. I don't want your head to go down. I want your head to stay up. Your abs are in nice and tight. We touch it down, and then, hey, up, down, up, up. If I played football, this is what I imagine I would do all the time. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. Step forward, jump, back and together. Forward, kick, back and together. Up, you're gonna release that leg at the back, and then you're gonna step together. So that's what that little kick is. Step forward, kick it out, step and down. Forward knee, toe, step and in. Forward knee, toe, step and in. Now let's try it with a jump. At your front, step forward, up, step together, step up, showtime. Up, step together, up, step together. We cannot leave our left side undone. Let's take it over here, left side, left. Try it without that jump to start. Forward knee, toe, step it to the back. Forward knee, toe, step it to the back. Let's try our jump all the way. Take it up and step together. Release that back leg. And last one, we are on to our last move, our kick step down. Piece by piece, let's walk it through. Right leg is gonna kick in front. Now, activate your abs to knee toe that kick up. I do not want a straight leg kick, not gonna feel great. That is gonna feel great. Knee toe right to the top, we kick, you step, you take your other leg, you're gonna go down, and then you're gonna step back up. Again, we have kick, step, down, abs in tight, fire it, kick, step, down, and together. Kick, step, down, and together. Try that on the left, right here. Kick, step, right leg goes back. Knee, toe, step, back, in. Knee, toe, step, back, in. Knee, toe, step, back, in. How do we get your heart rate up? We're gonna jump it a little bit. Try it with me. 4, 3, 2, and a kick, step, down, and a kick, step, down, and a kick, step, down, and a right here, left. Kick, step, down, kick, step, down, kick, step, down, kick, step, down. Woo! As you can see, even learning these moves is a great workout. Wait until you get into class. I can't wait to see you there, and now you have the tools to do so.
You shouldn't have to show it.